This quick tutorial is to show grade 3 teachers how to share Miss Heather's survey quickly to your students on the iPad. Um, so you can do airdrop from your Mac. It probably opens in Chrome, but go to Safari and paste in that link that Heather probably sent you by now. And then once it's loaded, you just use this share icon up in the right-hand corner, and that will help you, or that will allow you to airdrop it to your kids. But make sure that the iPads are just open on the home screen, and when they're open on the home screen, that will help them be discovered. So if I click here and I just say airdrop, it's going to say, who do I want to see? So my phone is open, so I have that. I can click it to that person, and I also have my iPad open. So if I just click on both those, I'll get a little message on my iPad, and that will let the kids open it up right there. You don't have to send it to their email or open it for them. It's the fastest way. All right, hope that helps.